Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a moderator from your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a moderator in your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, but sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove them as a moderator in your EverWebinar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your webinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my webinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove a moderator in one of your webinars, here on the left side, make sure you've clicked on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. You can see I have these two. One thing I want to let you know is if this moderator is in all of your webinars, you need to do this one by one, which is kind of annoying. But what you're going to do is next to the webinar, you're going to click on edit. Once you do that, you'll see all these blue bubbles here at the top, and you want to click on configuration. It's a gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see these three options, and you want to look for this right here, webinar moderator. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all the moderators that you currently have. You can see I just have myself and this one. And then off to the right of that moderator, you're going to see an X in red. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you're going to get this pop-up. You are about to delete this presenter. If you're okay with that, click on the red delete button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that moderator has been removed from this webinar. So if they're in other webinars, you need to go back over here to webinars and then delete them from all of the webinars you're running. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a moderator from your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.